Hi guys, today we are pleased to present this wonderful property at 7 Veitches Road in the heart of Casebrook. I'm Brent Rushworth from Ray White. Follow me and let's take a look around. This recently renovated home boasts double glazing throughout, a consented log burner, heat pump and gas hot water. The modern open plan kitchen steps down into the lounge, featuring high ceilings and an abundance of light, allowing the living areas to feel warm, light and spacious year round. The 3 bedrooms all feature built-in robes and are stylish and modern with neutral colours featuring throughout. Along with a single garage, attached carport and separate studio, you can be assured that this property will tick many boxes on your wish list. With schools, malls and public transport at your doorstep, this location is always sought after and in high demand. So if you're a first home buyer, investor or just looking for your next home, then 7 Veitches Road should be at the top of your shopping list. I'm Brent Rushworth from Ray White. You've got to come and check this place out. I look forward to seeing you at the next open home.